Hey, what's up everyone? I'm now holding like the longest selfie stick you could ever imagine. Is this worth it? Am I gonna be able to use this with the GoPro? Today we're vlogging with this thing. We're gonna take the dogs on a walk. Basically like I have my own personal drone right here. Wow, they're running! I've seen a few videos online, especially one that Mari Hapoya used this stick, but he used it with a 360 camera, so you couldn't see the pole. But with the GoPro 7 that I have here, you can see the pole, and it's pretty heavy too. And you can see it wiggling around like a fishing pole. But let's see what kind of cool shots you can get with this camera here. This pole itself is made out of carbon fiber, so it's very durable and flexible and doesn't seem like it's gonna break easily. It is very heavy to hold with one hand. Like, this is super heavy. One of the downsides of this thing is you basically only have two positions that you can have it in. Closed, which is how I'm holding it right now, or extended all the way out, which kind of sucks because it doesn't lock in between. You know, if it could lock like halfway length, that would be cool, but only two lengths with this guy. So that's something I didn't know before I bought it, and now you know before you buy it. So just letting you know, this is really for super wide shots. Don't know if this is such a good idea. Oh my god. Yeah, the thing with this, since it's made out of carbon fiber, it's so flexible, so it keeps swinging around. All right, Jinky, go say hi to the camera. So far, my thoughts are, this thing is very hard to vlog with. Very easy to bump into people, bump into things, so you have to be careful about that. Durability seems very durable. Length of the stick is probably the biggest downside for me, because, I mean, biggest upside and downside. The biggest upside of the length is that it's very long, but the biggest downside of the length is that you can't make it halfway short or adjust the length between, you know, the shortest and the longest. Basically, you can have it short or long, that's it.
Ang bigat. Yan na. Tarara, tarara, tarara. I have a big rod. Parang mamimingwit ako nito. This is the side view of my face.
Okay, I'm doing Rudolph in my sleigh here. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully that was helpful for you if you're looking at this stick, or if you want something really long to have as a camera stick holder, selfie stick, tripod, something. So that's it for this video. I hope that was a little bit entertaining and insightful. Yeah, just to recap, it's a cool thing to have. I wouldn't use it every day, but it can get some really unique angles. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.